Hello and welcome back to Party Paperteers. My name is Martha and I'm a retired party planner. I love to make party props large and small, mostly off the mat. Today's video is going to be another installment in our favorite children's book series. As you can see, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. This is one hilarious book. I love reading it to my grandchildren. It's very interactive. It's just one of those must-haves if you have young children in your life. Today we're going to be doing a party prop of one of the main characters in the book. And if you're interested in seeing me put him together, then stay tuned. Well, there you have it. This is the Pigeon. As I said, he's about 18 inches tall and just about 14 inches wide, which is pretty substantial. This is a copy of how the book cover looks, or one of the pages in the book. And like I said, the book is hilarious. So if you get a chance to read it to your little ones, I'm sure they're gonna love it. I want to thank you today for joining me at the Party Paperteers. And if you like our content, I would like for you to subscribe and like this video. And you can leave a comment letting me know if you have a favorite childhood storybook that you would like me to do a character from. I would love to do that for you. So comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.